Hey, it's Jonas, and I just want to give you a free ebook today. It's by my good friend Anthony Tilley, who's actually my mentor as well. So this is someone that I've known for over 3 years now. The ebook, as I said, will not cost you a dime. It's 100 pages long, and I'll give you a quick preview right now. All right, so that's Anthony Tilley, and this is his ebook. And basically, what you'll learn in here is how to think like a marketer and not a prospect, and it will teach you how to make plans and setting goals because that's really important in this business. You need to know where you want to get in order to get there. It'll also teach you how to create a sales funnel and a one-time only offer. And if that sounds intimidating to you, just relax. It's very simple, and well, it's much easier than it sounds. I promise you that. You'll have to spend a couple hours, yes, but after that, it is simple. I promise you that. And as I said, I mean, this ebook will not cost you a dime. You will have to enter your email in order for him to know where to send the ebook. But that's pretty much it. And I'll show you the. Let's see. All right. So when you enter your email, you'll be taken to this sales page. And yes, he does have an offer for you as well if you want. But that's completely up to you. So I highly suggest you scroll through the sales page. And if you don't want to purchase this product, you just want the ebook, that's fine as well. So just scroll down to the bottom and hit no thanks Anthony, I am not really that interested in making real money online. I prefer free stuff and shiny objects. Click that button and you'll be taken to the ebook. And I mean that's all you have to do. So yeah, I'd say download the ebook right now and take action. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.